Hey everyone, Akim is here. Let's talk about something that can truly make or break your directory project, your theme choice. In Directorist, a theme isn't just about your color or layout. It influences how your site functions, how users interact with it, and what kind of business model you can build. Let's start with one listing. This theme is ideal for beginners. It offers a clean general-purpose directory layout that works across many niches: local businesses, service directories, educational listings, and more. Since it's free, one listing is perfect for testing ideas, learning configurations, or launching a small project without upfront investment. Next up is Declassified. This theme is designed specifically for classified style website platforms where users post items for sale. That includes cars, electronics, real estate, or general buy and sell listing. Now let's look at D-Hotels. This theme is built specifically for hotel and accommodation directories. It highlights property listings, amenities, room details, and booking focus layout. And finally, we have D-Jobs. As the name suggests, this theme is built specifically for job boards and requirement platforms. Directorist offers additional official themes for different industries and layouts. You can also use compatible third-party WordPress themes, so choose based on structure, niche alignment, and long-term goals, not just appearance. Now that you understand the purpose of each theme, it's time to take action.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.